Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about these awesome Nespresso pods. This is the Ice Forte, and it's in the 7.77 fluid ounce little capsule here. So you're getting a good amount of coffee, and it tastes really good when it's added with ice and made into an iced beverage. I think it's a very mild flavor, and I love that this company helps you recycle them. So all you do is you like put it in a little baggie and they will recycle them for you. You send them back to the company. So I love my Nespresso machine. I think it's so fun to be able to make these drinks at home, and this helps me to make a nice iced beverage at home, so that helps me save money, which is great as well. I love to make little fun drinks at home, especially when it's snowy outside, and I live in New England where we drink iced coffee year-round regardless of the snow outside. So definitely recommend these. I don't think you'll be disappointed, and that is my point of view.